Hello yogis, welcome to my yoga channel. I am going to show you some yoga postures for hip pain relief. 3 yoga postures. The first one, Baddha Asana. For this, get the feet in front of you, both the feet touching each other. You can keep either to the further distance or as close to your pelvic bone. For more stretch, you can keep it close to the pelvic bone. Hold it with your 2 fingers and sit erect. Inhale and then exhale, come down. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. The second posture, Janushirshasana. For this, get your right ankle close to your left inner thigh. Sit erect. Raise your arms and then twist to your left. And then slowly forward bend. Initially you can stay here or even here, but slowly as you gain practice you will be able to touch your toe or the feet. If you want, you can raise your knee, or else if you are comfortable, stretch and then fold your head, bend your head. Stay here for 5 long deep breaths, or as much as you can. The third posture, Paschimottanasana. Sit in Dandasana. Inhale, take a deep breath, and then exhale, come forward and bend. Stay here for 5 long breaths. That's all for today. Thank you.